Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI new MAG CORELIQUID E Series AIO liquid cooler. So friend, MSI has introduced its new MAG CORELIQUID E Series liquid cooling system stemming from a concept that mirrors the form of a solar eclipse. This product combines advanced cooling mechanism with a distinct visual aesthetic, and with the rise in commercial requirements of contemporary computer systems, the CORELIQUID E Series has been precisely designed by MSI to enhance heat dissipation efficiency, thereby augmenting system performance. And the integration of this liquid cooling solution with the motherboard is streamlined via MSI CENTER software, allowing user a comprehensive range of system controls and adaptability feature. And the water block of the MAG CORELIQUID E Series has an updated design emphasizing augmented heat dissipation, and this is achieved by expanding the microchannel height, thereby increasing the contact surface between the water channel and the copper base. And such modifications lead to a more effective water cooling system, subsequently improving CPU temperature management. And the pump design has been revised to separate hot and cold coolant flows, and this segregation assists in preserving temperature distinctly, facilitating swifter cooling driven by a durable three-phase motor. And the pump bolster the cooler's performance and resilience, especially during prolonged periods of operation. Such detailed engineering reinforce temperature regulation and prolong the product durability. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.